See you later, brother.
I tell you. Oh, snap. What? TC the Barber, Twin City. Fine. Thank you. One of the most humblest. I am. Coolest.
Wipe it down.
Latest barber ever, man. You made me feel good just to do all that, huh?
Got him! Got him!
YouTube, is your main man TC the Barber here. You got my boy Fanaka with me, first time at an actual barber shop. So if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell will let you know when I'm dropping my next video. In this haircut tutorial, I'm going to be doing a drop, fade, and a face trim. Brushing it through the hair, just prepping it for my next step. So this first step, I'm going to go ahead and create my first ball line with my Silver FX. Now this ball line will go up and around the ears, and it's going to be dropping in the back. And repeating the same steps on the right side. Now that I got the ball line set in, I want to clean up the initial hairs at the bottom of the fade. Now this next step, with my cordless Andes Master, lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and create my first guideline. And I'll be going up about a ½ an inch. Now that I got the first guideline set in, I'm going to go ahead and knock out my ball line, the first line that I created. With the lever all the way closed. Now I'm going to adjust my lever to half. And continue to fade until that line is gone. Close the lever back up, and I'm going to repeat the same steps around the head. Close and open to half. Now coming back to this side, I'm going to open my lever up halfway just to finish off fade. I'm going to repeat the same steps on the right side. Lever all the way closed. I'm going to attack this line, and then I will open up to half and go up just a little bit to continue fade. Open that lever up halfway and continue to fade. Now with the one guard, with the lever all the way open, I'm going to go ahead and create my second guideline. And repeating the same steps. Lever all the way open. Now with the zero guard, lever all the way closed, I'm going to go ahead and knock out my first guideline. Now I'm going to open that lever halfway and continue to fade until the line is gone. Lever closed. Now I'm going to open it back up halfway and continue to fade. And repeating the same steps on the right side. And as you notice, as I fade the line, when I open up to half, I go up just a little bit. Just to continue to knock that line out. Make sure that fade is nice and smooth. Keeping it consistent. Working that fade. Until you get a smooth circle. Now I'm going to adjust the lever to half with no guard and come back and knock out a line that I missed. It's always good to come back in detail. Now with the two guard, lever all the way open. Now I'm going to create my third guideline. And as you can see, I'm going all the way up and flicking out. So this two open is basically going to blend into the top hairs. This will be the last guard I'll be using. And I'm going to come back and fade with the number one guard with the lever all the way open. And I'm repeating the same steps on the right side. So everything you do on your left side, you do on your right side. to one guard, like I say, with the lever all the way open. So I'm going to start with the lever open to blend out the second guideline. And then you will see me adjust my lever to half. Adjusting my lever to half. And continue to attack those dark areas. Just to get a clean, smooth fade. I'm going to open the lever back up all the way and continue to clean up. And I'm going to repeat the same steps in the back, adjusting my lever to half. And as I go up higher on the fade, I'm going to open my lever up. Yeah, my man Fanaka, man, he had a long day, man. Long day already. So as you can see, this fade is starting to come together. Still working on it. Now I popped the 2 guard back on there. And I'm going to fade this 2 guard right into the 2 open that I started my 3rd guideline with. Now all I'm doing is just bringing the fade all together. And as you can see, as I'm fading, I'm going in different directions because that's the way I try to cut the hair. Well, I am cutting the hair the way it grows. You know, sometimes you might see me turn my clipper toward an angle, up and down, all over the place, man. You know, but whichever way the hair grows, you want to cut it that way. Cut against it. So right now we're going to go ahead and edge them up. Right now I'm going to do the corners and the sides. He's not going to take a front. He's not going to do the front edge up. He just want to do the corners and the sides. So we're going to be curving the sides. And we're going to keep the hairline natural as possible. Repeating the same steps on the right side. Not doing too much with the hairline, just giving it a soft line. So with his beard, same thing, keeping it as natural as possible, touching it up. see, man, my head all in the camera, man. All in the camera. Now, some people say, man, your hair symbols power, so he's gonna keep that top. And I swear, man, his top hair got to be like at least 7 inches, man. Probably more. As you can see, I'm cutting the little hairs off his chin right now. YouTube, this is The Cut. If you like what you see, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that thumbs up. Also that notification bell. Leave comments below if you like. And TC the Barber, I'm out.